One of the favorite cities that I traveled to this summer was Rome, Italy. Rosalynn's dining room has a wonderful neutral palette, so it was really easy to add in a pop of blue. I found a beautiful blue pattern from Pottery Barn, accented it with white dinner plates, white napkins. And then we added classic blue and white menu cards. It's very simple, but still elegant, still classic. I think that dining around the dinner table, it's all about the food and the company. And for this occasion, we just kept it really simple, but still a nice, elegant touch so that everyone felt special.